Is your Honda radio locked? We have a solution! You can find your radio code free or paid. For a free code, you can check the glove box sticker on your car's manual. Look inside or on the side of the glove box, or check for a code card in the manual. Still can't find the code? Try an instant online retrieval. You will need your radio's serial number, which you can find in two ways. From the label, you will need to pull out the radio and check the label on the top or side. The serial number will be clearly marked. Now from the radio screen, you will need to press and hold buttons 1 and 6 simultaneously, usually while turning on the radio power button, to display the serial number on the screen. Or just press and hold the top halves of the SEEK skip and CH disc bars, then press and release the power volume knob. You can retrieve your serial number through Honda's hidden menu. Turn the ignition on, press and hold MAP, menu and cancel buttons together, navigate to Diagnosis items, Unit check, Navi EQ, serial number, and the serial number will start with 3 letters. After finding the serial number on the label, enter it into our website. The website will check if your code is available. If it is, simply review your serial number, complete the payment, and your code will appear instantly on your screen. Now you just need to enter the code into your radio to unlock it. Watch a customer video showcasing their successful unlock with our service. Solve it in minutes, skip dealer wait times, and unlock now. Just visit findradiocode.com.